So this is the Experobot, and it's fast, smart, and silent. Let's open it up. Okay, thank you letter, and the manual, and the quick start guide. Cool. So this is it from behind. It looks pretty. It is pretty. So it comes with this charging dock. You put it by the wall, and then the robot itself goes to the dock by itself. You don't have to carry it and put it there. It's just go there by itself. And we have here the power brick, and also we have the remote control for it. Okay, that's remote control. AAA battery. Okay. Oh, well, that's good. They included the batteries too. Also, it comes with 4 and a filter. Okay, so let's power it up and test it out. Okay, so first thing first, after I read the manual, I need to put these here. So this goes here, okay, and this one goes here, and then I need to remove these like that. Then we will connect that here. So what we do is just that, and then connect it like that. Yeah, so it should be like that. Okay. So, my thoughts about this robotic vacuum cleaner is it's perfect. It does the job perfectly, and also it has a lot of features like 6 modes of cleaning. That has like auto cleaning and max vacuuming cleaning and edge cleaning, and also random cleaning and area cleaning, and I think deep cleaning. It gets like 120 minutes runtime, and also self-charging. It goes to the charging dock by itself, and out of the box it comes with a lot of with what it takes to start, have a quick start with it. You don't even have to buy batteries for the remote control. Everything is there, and it's really durable and strong, and also the filter is washable. There is a lot of stuff that I liked about it, and it's elegant and looks really nice. I can just push a button and then it will start working, another button and it will just go home, like go to the charging dock by itself, like what you are going to see right now. Now it's charging. Also, I tested out on several surfaces and it seems to be working really good, and you will see in this video how it cleans the breadcrumbs off the floor and everything is works perfectly. So yeah, I like it a lot.